Hi friends, our story is called The Bus is for Us. It's about transportation. I really like to ride my bike. I like going far in a car. When it starts to rain, I like the train. But the best is the bus. The bus is for us. I do, of course, like riding a horse. I like to float in a little boat. I like trips in big ships. That might be fun. But the best is the bus. The bus is for us. Sometimes I wish I could ride a fish. That does look like fun. But the best is the bus. The bus is for us. I'd like to play in an open sleigh. That does look like fun on a snowy day. Fly to the moon in a hot air balloon. Or for a dare, ride on a bear. But even so, the bus is the best. The best is the bus. That's because the bus is for us. Bye. Bye, friends.